Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Blade A51, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. One of those toggles should be the Do Not Disturb toggle. For me, it is right on the first page right over here, but if you can't see it in the same place, you could swipe to the left and this will show you second page, and so on. But going back to this one, once you see your toggle, hold it first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize how it will function. Now I'm going to touch upon only the more important options. So starting off, we have people. In here you can select who can call you or message you. Then below that we have schedule. In here you can select a fully automatic schedule, so the mode will turn on and off at a provided day of the week and time. So just to kind of showcase this, you can tap on the gear icon to go to settings and customize it. And if you're planning to use a schedule, just make sure you toggle it on in here with this checkbox right here. And that's all you would need to do. Now going back, we have advanced options, and here we have the last option that I'm going to showcase, which is the duration for quick settings. When you tap on it, it will give you three options. We have until turn off, which is the default one for everyone. And we have two other ones, so for specific amount of time or ask every time, which will give you the first two options every time you tap on the toggle. Now, with that being said, in here, personally, and what I would recommend, I like to set it up to the timed one and add a couple more hours, so make it something like 4 hours. And then whenever I actually want to enable it, so I will showcase it right now, when I enable it, it will automatically get turned on for the 4 hours that I have set. Now the reason I recommend selecting this option is because, at least in my use case scenario, I use it very rarely, and when I enable it, I'll just forget about it once I'm done needing it. So for instance, I go into a business meeting, I'm gonna turn it on, it's done, I leave, and never turn off the Do Not Disturb mode, so it's gonna be running indefinitely in the background. But with this option, after 4 hours of it, it just automatically will turn off on its own. Now with that, you can also turn it off before that time runs out. So as you can see, it's right now enabled. It's going to be running until 10:44, but I just turned it off prematurely, and that's fine. So it gives you the kind of like a safety net. So when you forget about it, the device will just turn it off automatically after the specific amount of hours that you have selected. I picked 4 hours just because I consider this to be enough time to finish whatever I needed this mode for, and give it a little bit of a leeway for like 1 or 2 hours extra, just for the safety, let's call it. So there we go. And once all of this is set, you can then enable and disable your Do Not Disturb mode at will from your toggles right here. You can tap on it to turn it on and off. And if you're planning to use the schedule mode, just make sure, like I showed you before, that the checkbox in the schedule section is enabled, and that's it. The device will be turning it on and off automatically once the time actually comes around that it's supposed to turn on. So with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.